Hello and welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for March 2026. I invite you to take a few moments to get settled in your chair. Honor the sacredness of this time that we share in prayer, holding in prayer all those whom we hold in our hearts and minds. And as always, lovingly including all the names that are shared with Silent Unity here in the UK. Know that you are part of Silent Unity as you show up and connect with us in prayer. And so we come together, awakened to life. We gather in stillness and remember that prayer is never a solitary act. It moves through us, through everyone holding sacred space in this moment, and through all hearts turning toward hope and healing. We are joined in one presence and one power, the divine life that sustains all creation. In this awareness, we breathe together, and life breathes back through us. Peace is the ground of my being. Peace is not earned, it is revealed when I rest in divine order. I breathe deeply and let peace settle into every thought, every feeling, every space within me. Through the power of faith, I trust that all is unfolding in right timing. Through the power of strength, I remain centered and steady. Peace expands until it fills my awareness completely. I am one with divine peace, and that peace blesses the world through me. I awaken to divine understanding and new possibilities. Every moment of stillness becomes an opening for Spirit to speak. Divine wisdom is alive within me, offering insight and clarity. I listen and recognize the power of understanding guiding my perception. I imagine boldly and allow the power of imagination to show what is possible. Ideas of good arise, ready to be lived. I trust the inner voice that points me toward right action. In this consciousness, I know that all things are possible through God. life renews and restores me. The power of life flows through every cell of my body and every thought of my mind. This energy is holy, vibrant, and full of creativity. It strengthens what is weak, brightens what is dim, and restores harmony to every part of my being. Each breath is a reminder that Spirit sustains me. I am alive with divine vitality. Every step, every thought, every dream is filled with new life. Abundance flows through my life in perfect balance. God is the source of every good thing. Abundance is not a promise waiting to arrive. It is the reality of divine substance made visible in this very moment. Through gratitude, I recognize how richly I am supplied. Through understanding, I see that generosity opens every channel of good. I release all thoughts of lack and claim the power of will to live in trust. I walk forward in the awareness that divine abundance meets every need and exceeds every expectation. Love unites and heals all things. Centered in divine love, I see the sacred in every person and every situation. Love harmonizes differences, dissolves tension, and restores peace. Through the power of love, I open my heart wider still. Through the power of zeal, I become a living expression of that love. Every thought becomes a blessing. Every word becomes a prayer. I am one with God, and I am one with all creation. Together we form a single heartbeat of divine compassion in the world. We rest now in quiet gratitude. This stillness is alive with presence. This silence hums with divine activity. There is one life, one power, one love, and it moves through us now as clarity, peace, and renewal. We step into the days ahead with open hearts and steady faith, awake to the life that is always unfolding. With all of this held in heart, body, and mind, we close with the unity prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you, and thank you for joining us in prayer this month.